Here's a full tutorial on how to apply your Zagg Invisible Shield to your phone. This is my previous phone cover. As you can see, it got a crack in it. It cracked even more, as you'll see in the video, as I removed it from my phone. I don't know what happened. I have no idea how that happened. It just showed up one day. But this thing is awesome. And the best part about this is that it comes with a lifetime replacement warranty. So when you get yours, make sure that you scan that code and you apply for the warranty so that you're in the system, so that if yours ever does break, you can instantly get a brand new one. So this thing is one of the coolest ways I've ever seen to apply a screen protector to a phone. Check this out. Now the first step is to remove your old cracked phone cover if you have that. If not, just skip this step. But I just found a tool that was very thin and just got it started, and then the rest of it easily peels off. Now before we apply the next one, what we're going to want to do is to really clean our screen. So the first step is to take the included alcohol swab, and we're going to really polish that screen as much as we can to get anything, any fingerprints, any dirt or grime that's on there off. We want that thing looking smooth and shiny. Once we're done with that, we're going to take the included microfiber cloth and just get all the dust off. If there's any wet marks from the alcohol wipe, you want to get those off. Just give a good thorough covering and make sure that this thing looks as clean as possible. And when we're done with that, just to make sure we're super thorough and we get any dust particles or dog hairs or pet hairs, we're going to use this piece of sticky paper, stick that down to the phone, and press all around to make sure it picks up any dust that may have been left behind. And I like to go over it a couple of times just to make sure every little bit of dust is actually removed. Now I like to leave that sticky piece on my screen up until the very last second. Then you lift up the top of the Zagg case and you're going to put your phone with the screen side facing downward. It'll only fit one way, so you'll know you're doing it the right direction. So the bottom will be where the tab is sticking out there at the bottom. Then you put the lid on top and you're going to press in that section where it says Zagg. You put some pressure down with your fingers and then you grab that tab and you slowly pull that all the way out. And you're going to see that there is what looks like a phone screen attached to it, but that's just the screen covering. And as that starts to come out, you know you're getting close. There's that screen right there. So you remove that all the way. And now you want to make sure that you press down evenly. I like to use 4 fingers and press down for at least 5 seconds. I tend to do it a little bit longer just to be safe, but you're just going to hold that down, press it in place, at least count to 5. And when you're done, you lift off that lid very gently, and then you're ready to remove your phone from the box. And now most of the time when I've used this, the phone is ready to go. In this particular case, there is a tiny little bubble that I can see. So what I like to do then is take that microfiber cloth and just rub it towards the edges to get any air bubbles out that there might have been. Most of the time I don't have any air bubbles when I'm using the Zagg method of applying the screen protector. And that's it. Your phone is now protected and your screen protector is applied. So if you're looking for a really nice screen protector for your phone, the Zagg is amazing and I definitely recommend it.